All right, thank you so much for joining us today, Anne. And so tell us how, I guess we met forever ago.
Yes.
Yes, and it took a while to get connected. Life happened.
Yes.
But we did your first kitchen down the street in Reston.
That's right.
A while back.
That's right. And we took down walls and we moved things around, and it was fabulous. And I was going to stay there forever until I decided to move.
Life happens, right?
Right.
Yeah. So, so I guess you enjoyed working with, so you decided to.
In fact, I called you before I even put the contract on this place because I wanted you to see the space to make sure that we could take down the walls like we had done in the other house, because this place used to be 3 rooms and now it's one big beautiful room, and we had to make sure that we could open it up like we did before.
Yeah.
And you did.
Perfect. Yeah, and this house, like, there was definitely a challenge here, right? Because it's a condo, and of course, some of the other units that we looked at were actually the top floor, so like we cannot open it completely because of the condo. So we had some challenges here. So what's the best thing that you like working with me?
Oh gosh, you're responsive. That is so important. You know, I would text you or call you and you're right there, and you're easy to work with, and you have good ideas, but you also were open to all of my ideas, and it's just really easy. I mean, when I decided to move, there was no question that I had to call you and make sure that you could do the space too.
Thank you. I think you said something really funny once, that like if I get quiet, you know that like I don't like it. Yeah, but I don't like it. I still have it in my head.
Oh, that's funny.
Like you said, I'm like, oh, you're quiet. I know you're like, is she contemplating or she doesn't like my ideas?
No, but you're you're easy to work with, and you had great, I mean, I wanted to have green, and we came up with this green, and you came up with this fabulous tile for the backsplash. It's just it's all great.
Awesome. There is a process that we go with our clients, right? We need to make sure that we accommodate your lifestyle and what you're trying to accomplish. And I think that was the important thing here, right? Because that's how we met. That's why we met here before you even made the decision to buy the condo, to make sure that we can create a space where you can display all your art and have a beautiful kitchen where you can cook, and a bathroom that is usable versus that little tub that it wasn't even like a full-size tub. It was
it had a water closet area that had a door. And it was just
There's a lot of doors in this condo.
Yes, there were a lot of doors. I think it was the style of when they built it, the place. It's about 25 years old now, so I think that might have been it.
Yeah, there was a lot of doors in this unnecessary door in this space, and I enjoyed working with you because I love your style, and I love that you were also receptive for my suggestions.
the whole idea that you can take down the walls and move things and you end up with this beautiful space, I am not that person. I can't visualize it. So I wanted to redo my kitchen at the old place probably for years, and the idea of pulling the trigger was scary. And then I met you, and it's like, okay, it's time to do this. So I can't visualize it because I don't do what you do.
Yep.
So although I can do it now better, I can see, oh wow, you can do that. You can take this down and you can change that. So
I'm glad we were able to instill confidence for you to actually move forward with these projects.
Yes.
And knowing that it can be done and done in the right way, if it's going to fit your lifestyle and actually come to fruition in the right way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, this kitchen is just fantastically designed, from the microwave drawer, which is just wonderful, to my wonderful French door. This was my big splurge, my French door ovens. And it, it's got the nice U shape, and it's all easy to get around, and just, it's fantastic.
And how do you like your bathroom? But now
Oh, I love
the crazy
yes.
tub.
I love the bathroom. If you recall when we did the demo, we found a whole extra space.
Yep.
That was dead space that we then were able to make the bathroom, like, I don't know, 50% bigger because we found that dead space.
Yep.
No, and it's wonderful. I love it.
And of course, I loved all the colors, and you were so receptive to the purple sink and all the fun
I love
colors
the purple sink
that we put in there. So I absolutely always enjoy working with you. So thank you so much.